Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will be the fastest phone of the next year, and I mean it. There are a couple of reasons why I claim, since the numbers that we saw from Galaxy S23 Ultra are insane. Qualcomm is going head-to-head with A16 Bionic chipset, and if you are thinking of getting any Samsung device right now, just wait for the launch of Galaxy S23 Ultra, because the numbers I am about to talk about will change your idea of getting any other device. Yes, as per Anthony shared the statistics, the Snapdragon Gen 2 will be about 23% faster in GPU performance than Dimensity 9200, which was most closer to A16 Bionic chipset. But guess what? This is not it. He also shares that the Snapdragon Gen 2 will also be able to 11% faster in GPU performance than the A16 Bionic chipset. A hell lot of improvements on next generation Qualcomm processor. Even S22 Ultra was even behind from A15 Bionic chipset from last year, and this all happens to a new GPU Adreno 740, a new addition to Snapdragon Gen 2. Just like Snapdragon Gen 2 speed, this video also needs a like and subscribe to get the top speed on YouTube, so do it right now. With the claims of faster numbers, it was also tested where Snapdragon Gen 2 scored 217 FPS in ES 3.1. Dimensity 9200 was way behind at 176 FPS, and even A16 Bionic chipset scored 195 FPS, an easy win for the upcoming Qualcomm top-of-the-line processor. But we hope Samsung optimized the Snapdragon Gen 2 at its full potential, unlike what they did with the Snapdragon Gen 1. With addition to a new processor, we're also getting some of the internal updates, mainly a LPDDR5X RAM, which is 1.3 times faster than the last generation, and a new UFS 4.0, which will be twice as fast as the UFS 3.1. Not just the fastest phone of the next year, but Galaxy S23 Ultra could potentially take a place at the best camera phone of the next year, with 200 megapixel main shooter, and we already have a real-time image where we saw it performs way better than 108 megapixel on Galaxy S22 Ultra. And these pictures are scaled at 16x zoom, and 200 megapixel comes with more sharper image than the 108 megapixel. And also, 200 megapixel comes with the new option, the 3 new options for the users: 12.5, 200 megapixel full scale, and 50 megapixel a newly added feature. Right now it is not available, but we will get it when the Galaxy S23 Ultra will launch. A couple of more features are also added in the camera: ultra stabilization and a bump up in the portrait video mode resolution. Either Samsung will go with the 2.8K or we will get a 4K just like we have seen on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Samsung will launch Galaxy S23 Ultra ahead of time, and we should start counting the days now, as Samsung will go out with the S23 Ultra in January along with the S23 and the S23 Plus. If you want to see the benchmarks where Galaxy S23 Ultra beat iPhone 14 Pro Max, then you guys should check this video, and make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.